Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial. My name's Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fred's Optimizer to optimize a lens to focus light onto an analysis surface. So to start, I'll just run a quick ray trace so we can see the behavior of our lens. And here we can see that the lens is actually causing the light to diverge. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the Optimize tab and select Define/Edit. And here you can see that I've already defined my elements, but I'll give you a quick rundown of what's going on. So the first thing that we do is we select our entity that is being optimized, which in this case is our lens, and then the parameters of the lens that are being optimized. So here I've selected power of a lens element, bending parameter of a lens element, and the thickness of a lens element. After we've done that, we needed to define our upper and lower limits. So for the example of the thickness, I've selected 0.1 to 1. So that means that the thickness cannot go below 0.1 millimeters and cannot exceed 1 millimeter. After we've done that, we're going to go to the merit function aberrations. Here I've defined it to be the RMS spot size radius. After that, I select my analysis surface that the calculations are going to be performed on, which is analysis surface 1. And then I set my target, which is set to 0 because we want our spot size to be as small as possible. After doing that, we'll move over to the Method tab. And here you can see I've set the merit aberration to run for 50 iterations or until the merit function changes less than 0.0005. So after we've defined this, we can close this down, go back to the Optimize tab, and select Optimize. And here we can see on the right side that each iteration is being ran and put into the output window. As well, we can see in the 3D view that our lens thickness is being changed as well as the other parameters and focusing the light onto our analysis surface. And now we can see that our merit function has converged in less than 50 iterations due to the convergence criteria that we defined. And running another quick ray trace, we can see that our lens is in fact focusing light onto the analysis surface. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.